Welcome to Review Lab. The best cat clocks is probably one of the most charming and whimsical additions you can make to your home decor, offering a delightful way to keep track of time while celebrating our feline friends. These unique timepieces often feature playful cat designs, from playful kittens chasing a ball of yarn to elegant silhouettes perched gracefully, bringing a touch of personality and warmth to any room. Whether you're a devoted cat lover or simply appreciate quirky and artistic home accessories, a cat clock is sure to spark joy and conversation, making it a perfectly practical yet decorative item that stands out from the ordinary. Number 5. Crosstime Silent Cat Wall Clock. This clock absorbs light during the day and glows softly all night. It's perfect for any room, providing a gentle light without any wiring or hassle. With its playful cat face, glowing eyes, and paws, this clock brings a touch of whimsy to your home. It's not just a clock, but also a charming piece of decor. Enjoy a quiet environment thanks to its ultra-quiet quartz mechanism. There's zero ticking, making it ideal for bedrooms or any space where silence is golden. Crafted with a smooth MDF and walnut wood grain finish, it complements various interior styles. It blends seamlessly with farmhouse, boho, or minimalist decor. This well-packed clock makes a wonderful gift for any cat lover. It's the perfect way to express your good wishes on birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This clock absorbs light and glows all night, perfect for a child's room or hallway. Its silent sweep movement ensures peaceful sleep without any ticking. If you're looking for a charming and functional piece that adds a touch of whimsy and glows softly in the dark, this is a great choice. What people say. The clock is a great conversation starter and a unique piece of decor for any cat lover. It's surprisingly accurate for a novelty clock, keeping good time. The silent sweep movement is a nice feature, so it doesn't tick loudly. Number 4. Cute Cat Night Light Alarm Clock. This alarm clock features a comforting night light. Simply touch the top to activate it, and hold to adjust the brightness for a cozy, non-dazzling glow. It's perfect for creating a peaceful sleep environment without any blinking distractions. Wake up easily with its large, clear LED display and enlarged digits. It shows the time, alarm status, AM/PM, and battery indicator, ensuring you always know what's happening at a glance. Enjoy personalized wake-up experiences with multiple alarm settings and 5 adjustable volume levels. Choose from elegant classical music, natural bird sounds, or traditional ringtones to start your day comfortably. Never miss an important moment with its dual alarm settings and a convenient 5-minute snooze function. Easily activate snooze by touching the top icon, and enjoy clear, intuitive controls. This digital alarm clock has a built-in battery that retains power even when off, ensuring accurate timekeeping without constant resetting. Once charged, it can last 7 to 10 days, making it ideal for travel and eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. This cute cat-themed alarm clock makes a wonderful gift for girls, toddlers, boys, kids, and teens. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays and any special occasion. What we like. This alarm clock features a comforting night light with adjustable brightness, ideal for a child's bedroom. It offers multiple ringtones and adjustable volumes, ensuring a gentle or robust wake-up call. If you need an alarm that helps children transition to sleep with its soft light and ensures they wake up on time with customizable sounds, this is the one for you. What people say. The clock is a perfect size for my kitchen wall. It's a cute addition to my cat-themed room. The silent movement of the second hand is a great feature, no ticking noise. Number 3. Kit Kat Clock Gentleman The Original Classic Black. Introducing the original Kit Kat clock in classic black. This iconic timepiece brings a touch of vintage charm to any space. Measuring 15.5 inches from ears to tail, it's the original size you know and love. Its classic design has been a favorite since 1932. You'll love its famous rolling eyes, wagging tail, and contagious smile. These signature features make it a truly unique addition to your home. Each one is proudly made in America by the original manufacturer. Experience the quality and craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. It runs on 2C batteries, which are not included. Simply insert the batteries and enjoy its charming presence. What we like. This is the original Kit Kat clock, a classic design manufactured since 1932 with its iconic rolling eyes and wagging tail. It's proudly made in America, ensuring quality craftsmanship. If you appreciate vintage charm and iconic American-made products, this classic black cat clock is a perfect addition to your home. What people say. The clock is a great conversation starter and a unique piece of decor. It's surprisingly quiet, with no annoying ticking sounds. The design is very cute and well-made, perfect for any cat lover. Number 2. Topkey Creative DIY Cat Acrylic Wall Clock. Introducing a unique wall clock designed to add a touch of charm to any room. Its creative cat design is sure to catch the eye. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, this clock is built to last. The material is non-fading, ensuring its beauty for years to come. Experience a special feature with its sweep seconds movement and a wagging cat tail pendulum. It brings a playful element to timekeeping. This creative clock is the perfect addition to your living room, bedroom, or kitchen. It effortlessly enhances your home's aesthetic. Simply add one AA battery to get it started. It's designed for easy setup and immediate enjoyment. Measuring 42 cm x 18 cm, it's a statement piece that fits perfectly on your wall without being too overwhelming. What we like. This creative DIY cat clock allows for customizable placement of the clock face and arms, fitting spaces perfectly. Made from durable, non-fading acrylic, it features a unique wagging tail pendulum. If you want a modern, customizable wall clock that adds a playful and dynamic element to your living room or kitchen, this is an excellent option. What people say. The clock is a great addition to any cat lover's home, with its unique and charming design. It's a silent clock, so it won't disturb your sleep or work. The clock is easy to set up and use, and it comes with all the necessary hardware. Number 1. Kit Kat Clock Limited Edition Classic Black Lady. Introducing the Classic Black Lady Kit Kat Clock, a timeless piece that has brought joy to families for generations. Its iconic design and playful features are sure to brighten any room. Standing at 15.5 inches tall, this original size clock is the ideal centerpiece for your wall. It adds a touch of sparkle and character to any space, big or small. Proudly crafted in the USA, this high-quality clock is built to last. It's a special collectible and a charming addition to your home, made by the original manufacturer. Simply insert 2C batteries and hang it on your wall. No complicated setup is required. Enjoy its unique charm without the hassle. Whether for a housewarming, birthday, or holiday, this clock makes an unforgettable gift. It combines unique design with practical charm, perfect for anyone looking for a special timepiece. What we like. This limited edition classic Black Lady Kit Kat clock adds a touch of sparkle and character to any room with its iconic moving eyes and tail. Standing at 15.5 inches, it's the perfect size for a statement piece. If you're looking for a unique, collectible, and elegantly designed clock that's made in the USA and makes a stunning gift, this is an exceptional choice. What people say. The clock is a great conversation starter and a unique piece of decor. It's surprisingly quiet, with no annoying ticking sounds. The details on the cat design are very intricate and well done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.